the lake behind City Palace Udaipur. Let's see the view. It's looking very nice. Today the weather is also very nice. I believe that is the Taj Palace. It is middle of the lake. And see some boats already in the lake. This is the Taj Palace, not that one.